Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, and welcome to the Pulse Money Market Update, number 199 for Monday, the 13th of October, 2025. As always, you are very welcome here, but just remember that you're always responsible for your own trading decisions. If we look at XLF, which of course is the ETF for the financial sector, well, I'm intrigued by that as well. All right, as I've said all along here, most of those finance companies and the ETF had a pretty nice strong trend. There was a really nice bearish engulfing candle there, wasn't there? A lower high right into the trade wars, and then it reclaims the 50, then it reclaims the 20, then it kind of reclaims $50. And it grinds its way higher. But then the last couple of weeks, there's lots of wicks to either side. And then once again, last week, XLF, it closes beneath the 20 period moving average. And you can see where it's acted as support and then resistance. Okay, I'm going to be curious to see, well, all right, we've got an awful lot of, as I said, financial companies with their earnings this week. And what will XLF look like by the end of this week? If those numbers are good, and we get some Trump shenanigans, then do you know what? Maybe there's the power to push it to the highs. But if some of those numbers are weak, and if some of the kind of confidence ebbs away, and perhaps some of the as I said, the trade war, Trump tariff shenanigans carries on, do we roll over to the sort of 51 area? Okay, where the 50 would be in a couple of weeks. So I'm hoping that you've got an impression that it is going to be a very interesting week for financial companies and generally the markets in general. So you might want to add these to your watch list and just sort of see how they play out over the next few days in the backdrop of everything that is going on with generally with markets and with Trump and the Chinese, etc., and the US government lockdown. Okay, so it is an interesting October.